For more than a century, Machu Picchu has been a symbol of Inca greatness. Since Hiram Bingham rediscovered it in 1911, the image that has endured is that of a royal refuge, hidden in the Andean peaks, destined for the nobility of Tawantinsuyo. However, a genetic study published in Science Advances magazine has changed this vision sharply. If you like the story and want to know more about Machu Picchu, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Your support is essential to continue sharing interesting content. Thanks to ancient DNA analysis of more than 30 individuals buried in the place, we now know that the population inhabiting the citadel was neither homogeneous nor local. On the contrary, it was a deeply diverse community, made up of people coming from the most remote corners of the Inca Empire and beyond. Machu Picchu was built during the reign of Pachacuti, the great emperor who transformed a local kingdom into the largest empire in South America. Although its monumental architecture suggests a city designed for royalty, the truth is that the emperors and their families did not live there permanently. The use of Machu Picchu was seasonal, a resting home, a place of religious ceremonies and political gatherings. But who cared for that splendor throughout the year? That task lay with the Yanacona and Akla, who were separated from their communities to serve the Inca. A new study has shed light on the provenance of these individuals. Scientists analyzed DNA extracted from teeth and bones of people buried in funeral caves surrounding Machu Picchu, revealing an amazing genetic variety. The results of the study show that many of the buried individuals had roots in various regions, including the Amazon, the North Coast, and the Andes. In total, at least 8 different regions of origin were identified. One of the most striking findings is that approximately 1/3 of the individuals analyzed had Amazonian ancestry, and most of them were women. This confirms that the Amazon played a much more integrated role in Inca history than was believed. Another revealing fact is that almost none of the individuals analyzed had direct kinship with each other. This reinforces the hypothesis that the Yanacona were individually selected and transferred, forming a new community in Machu Picchu. Far from being a miserable life, analyses show that these servants enjoyed good health and life expectancy higher than the Andean half. Moreover, their tombs contained valuable objects, suggesting an intermediate status in Inca society. This study highlights the growing tendency in archaeology to combine classical methods with advanced scientific tools. Thus, we begin to understand not only how Inca cities looked, but how they actually lived in them. The image that emerges from Machu Picchu is very different from what we were told. It was a meeting point between cultures, a diverse community that forces us to rethink what we thought we knew about the Inca world.